Yeah? Where?
You know what I would do? Is I would go get...
Oh,
what year
damn.
is this?
Yeah.
13.
So 2013. I would go get another 2013. I know where exactly where one is. And I would go in and start looking at all the clamps and shit like that.
And verify. I was gonna put on a scanner first and see everything.
I just put a gasket on it.
Yeah, you could do that too.
You know, and then, well, there's a lot of things to take to verify, like clamps. I have to get on the card.
Yeah.
And then take a couple pictures so we can show it.
Oh, yeah. I'm taking pictures. Taking pictures or you could do a video?
I'm in a video, dude.
Here, get a 21. Or a 22, actually.
How do you eat?
Oh, this hose isn't even barely on, dude.
It looks like
They were revving it too high and just pushed it too far. I mean,
it actually looks like what happened is the
Jesus Christ.
the rod broke in half, and then the piston itself blew out.
Okay.
Because you can see all the way up, and you see the rod right here. See how the rod's just
Yeah.
hanging right there.
Oh yeah.
It's at a complete angle because it'd be up and
Shit,
down.
look at that.
So it looks like what actually happened is the piston itself blew out.
Yeah, it definitely hit the valves up there, didn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah, that is really cool.
You don't see that often.
No, you sure don't. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I can't get it. It's gonna suck.
Oh, there we go.
Whoever has to work on this thing is gonna suck, but you know. Pull this bad boy out.
I don't know if I can see way up there, but there's no piston up there.
Yeah, I can see you can see the bottom of the valves where it looks where the piston hit it. Pull it out. Got a pretty nice little bay back here.
So yeah, there's no piston in there. No piston at all. And a big hole.
Arms off. It just went ka-ting!
Like big ass channel lock.
I don't have a big ass. No.
No? Why not?
What are you doing?
Turn shit up.
You're not pushing the piston in, right?
Yeah.
Don't do it with that.
What?
Because you gotta do it with the C-clamp thing, because there's Hyundai ones, as soon as you're gonna grab it and press it, as soon as it gets a little bit cockeyed, it doesn't go in.
You know what?
No?
No, it won't. Just get a screw jack from...
Have you already did it?
Yeah, I already did one, that's why I know.
Okay.
I was pressing on it, it was not going in. I brought a screw jack in, because it has to go straight. Put like an old pad in it or whatever, and then put it in.